The Walking Dead by Robert Kirkman. This graphic novel series follows Rick Grimes and a group of survivors navigating a post-apocalyptic world overrun by zombies, when human conflicts often prove more dangerous than the undead. The Walking Dead explores moral and philosophical questions in the post-apocalyptic world where survival is the main focus. Characters like Rick and Megan embody different philosophies, with Rick maintaining morality and order and Megan adopting ruthless mindsets. The show also explores the psychological effects for constant fear and the ethical dilemmas of personal survival versus the greater good. Robert Kirkman's The Walking Dead Compendium 1 explores human nature and survival in the zombie world, focusing on a group of survivors battling trauma and morality, offering a powerful commentary on community and trauma. The compendium explores themes of leadership, fear, and loyalty through Rick Grimes, a police officer in a small town who navigates moral dilemmas and a dangerous new world, focusing on survival at all costs. The Walking Dead Compendium 1 is a comic and television series that highlights the psychological struggle alongside the physical survival fight, raising thought-provoking questions about human behavior in a world where rules no longer apply. Its powerful emotions, evolving characters, and ethical questions make it compelling even for those not typically drawn to the zombie genre.